So here I have Apple Watch SE 44mm and Apple Watch Series 7 45mm product red. Yes, it's a product red. The most durable Apple Watch ever made according to the Apple company. So this is the aluminium version, so it's not stainless steel or titanium, so low end but way far better than the Apple Watch SE. SE is not far behind, but in terms of features, the Apple Watch Series 7 beats SE in all those areas. So, only thing Apple Watch SE has in its favor is the price. So, in price department, Apple Watch SE defeats Apple Watch Series 7. So for low price you get minimum features, so that's understandable. So you can see the difference between the sensors. You can see many sensors here. This is all technology in Apple Watch SE. You have the latest 7 chip Apple Watch S7 chip here. You have your S5 chip. So both feel snappy. It's not that Apple Watch SE is very slow, Apple Watch 7 is super fast. Yes, Apple Watch 7 is faster than SE, but you won't see that difference when you navigate through the watch. It's almost similar. So the departments where it comes in full color is the health department, like health features. So you have here ECG feature. So Apple Watch SE lacks ECG feature, and you have blood oxygen. Here you have blood oxygen sensor in Apple Watch Series 7, so it is also missing in Apple Watch SE. And the heart rate monitor is almost same in both these devices. I don't see much of a difference in both this Apple Watch in terms of the heart rate sensor and other health features. There is a difference. You can see how fast it detects the heart rate. Series 7 does it better than the Apple Watch SE. So SE is taking too long. It's not able to detect sometimes. Okay, that's fine. Most of the time it works flawlessly. Both these watches runs on latest watchOS 8, so that's not an issue. Both gets latest feature at least for next 3 or 4 years, and Series 7 will edge through having an edge in the software updates because it's the latest one compared to the Apple Watch SE. And the screen, as you can see here, it's bigger in Apple Watch Series 7 compared to the Apple Watch SE. Yes, the bezels are really small in Series 7 compared to the SE, and you have always on display in Apple Watch Series 7. So that's an added feature here you get. Come on. So it is lacking in yeah, this is always on display. This is how it looks. So this is the artist watch face. So it is lacking in Apple Watch SE. There is no always on display. So if always on display matters for you, you can go for Series 7 or Series 6. Series 5 is not available currently, I think so. They are promoting Series Apple Watch SE instead of Series 5. So Series 6 is your best bet. It's low price and almost the same features you will get, ECG, blood oxygen, all those things you will get. And my bet is on Series 6 than Series 7. Yes, Series 7 looks better than Series 6, and also you get a QWERTY keypad here. I'll show you. So that's the first time in any Apple Watch you are getting a full-fledged keyboard, so you can type things. So it is also missing in Apple Watch SE and other Apple Watches. So here Apple Series 7 Edge or Apple Watch SE, and you have other things, same things here. Everything else is same, all the softwares are supported. You get so many apps, everything is same. And the sleep tracking is better in Series 7 compared to Apple Watch SE or any other Apple Watch. Yes, Series 7 does it better. The other things are pretty much the same. So Apple Series 7 gets a facelift compared to Series 6 or Apple Watch SE, but it stays the same, the core is the same. So if you want an Apple Watch, you better go for Series 6 or Apple Watch SE. Apple Watch SE is much cheaper than Series 6 right now, so if you ask me which one to buy, I'll definitely tell Apple Watch SE is your best bet. So if you are a health freak and you want so many loaded features, so you can choose Series 7 or Series 6. Like, the health features are far better in this one. Not a big difference though when you compare Series 6 and 7, but the screen looks good and it's a bit heavy compared to the SE or any other Apple Watch. It's a bit heavy. Yeah, it feels good. And the battery life, I'm getting around 1.5 day. Both these watches, I'm using it with always on display on, still I'm able to pull through a day very easily. But if you use sleep tracking and all, 1 day is the max you will get with always on display on. So Apple Watch SE easily you will get 1.5 day. Depends on the usage. I'm not a health tracking freak, or I don't use my Apple Watch to track much of my fitness regime, so it's easy for me to pull through 1 day. So those who track their fitness regularly, I cannot say the same kind of battery life for them. So that's a thing to be noted. And the charging time, I did not find that much of change in charging time. My Apple Watch Series 7 is taking 2 hours and SE is taking 2 hours 15 minutes also. So what's the big difference? It's almost the same for me. Everyone is talking about the charging time is very much less in Series 7 compared to other generation of Apple Watches, but I did not find it true. So maybe something is wrong with my charger. Apple Watch is fine, working really fine, so I suspect the charger. There is something faulty about the charger. It's not getting heated up or something, but it's not fast as the company claims. They claim a 33% more faster charging than the previous version, but it's the same for me. I did not find any changes. And the app support is excellent and it works flawlessly. So here you can auto switch, or you can choose manually to select which one is your select the primary watch for you. So you can toggle to the both watches. You can add as many as you want, and you can just toggle through any of these. So right now I am changing my primary watch to SE. Yeah, now SE is my primary watch. Now I can change it to my Apple Watch Series 7. So it's very easy, and auto switch feature is really cool. If you enable auto switch, just wear your Apple Watch and raise your wrist. That's enough. It can automatically change your primary device. As you can see, now it will change to Apple Watch SE. Yeah, so keep it back. Now I'm taking the Series 7. Now Series 7 becomes my primary watch. Yeah, that's cool. That's a Apple thing actually. Very seamless as always. So that's about my comparison between Apple Watch Series 7 and Apple Watch SE. Both are great devices. Yeah, but when you need a lot of features, just go for the Series 7 or Series 6. Depends on your budget. And when you need an Apple Watch and you're low on budget and you are not in need of many health features, SE is your best bet. There is no doubt about that. Don't go for Series 3 and all. SE is the best. So that's about the comparison of Series 7 and SE. Thumbs up Apple.